How are you today? I am so glad that you're here. It means the world to me. My name's Dawn. I'm from Just Doing My Best, and I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40, women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. Today, I have an easy eyeliner look for you. I don't usually do a lot of eyeshadow, but I like eyeliner. I'm very hooded, and I hear from a lot of women over on my Facebook page, over on my Instagram page. A lot of women tell me I'm a little shaky now. Like I can't draw eyeliner on really well. I can't make it look good. I don't have a steady hand. If that's you, let's get started. I am going to use two makeup brushes. These two brushes will make this so easy, I promise. And I always share super affordable makeup and skincare. I like really affordable products. The makeup brushes are the only thing that I spend just a little bit of money on. I have like two brands that I really like, and I try to bring them to you with a discount code. So this is no exception. Down in the description below, I will list the eyeliner that I'm using, very affordable, and then these two brushes, 2-year warranty on these, and I have a really good discount code. But these two brushes will make this so much easier. I promise you can do this. And if you watched my liquid eyeliner video right here, then you know I try to make things super easy. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got my makeup almost all done except for the point where I apply eyeliner. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this eyeliner only on the top, and then you'll see what I'm going to do to give us a more diffused line. So it looks really pretty, and it helps if you're not super steady, because this will make this just a beautiful look without a ton of effort on your part. Today I'm using one of my very favorite affordable eyeliners. This is the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, and I'm using the color Semi Sweet, so it's a dark brown. You will see that I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to stay away from the outer corner. I'm only going to line about 2/3 of the way in. I try to avoid lining on the inner corner, first of all, because it's very hard to do and to keep that neat. So if you don't have a very steady hand, avoid that inner corner with your eyeliner. But also, if you keep that eyeliner in the outer 2/3, you can cover up mistakes. You can cover it with eyeshadow. You can hide it with mascara. Very difficult to hide mistakes with eyeliner on the inner corner. And then we will smudge that. So we will diffuse that, but I'm going to use my brush to bring some of that eyeliner to the bottom as well. So I've got a good, thick, heavy coat of that, and I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to grab, this is what they call a pencil brush. And all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this and just smudge it in a bit. Now it's much more diffused, and what's on my brush, I'm going to put on the bottom. So that gives me a little bit of color, a little bit of interest, very diffused without it being a lot. Now, if you wanted to add a little bit more, I'm good on top, okay? We're gonna take care of that outer corner in just a second. But in terms of this pencil brush, if you're gonna have a date night, maybe you're going to a special event and you want just a little bit more, again, I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner. I'm gonna stay to the outer third. You could always take your pencil, I don't know how well you're able to see this, whether or not it will focus. Take your pencil and your pencil brush and just rub it along the end of the pencil. If you think you get too much, you can wipe some off on a paper towel, and just put that just in the outer third or outer half to give you a little bit more of a smoked out look. And the pencil brush did all the work. Before we do that outer corner, let me go ahead and do this eye. And since I've been talking about thirds, I said to try to avoid the inner third. And then down here, I only put that outer third. A third is a good rule of thumb if you're thinking, gosh, how much do I put under my eyes? The more makeup we put under our eyes, the more it can be very harsh. It can be very aging. That makeup can fall. I've heard people say that they don't even put mascara underneath their eye. I just think that looks a little undone, but that's just me. Good rule of thumb is whatever you put on top, do 1/3 of that on the bottom. And again, stick to the outer half or the outer third. Now I'm done with the pencil brush, and you saw that I added just a little bit more in the outer corner. That was just to illustrate that you could smoke it out just a little bit more if you had an event. But for day to day, all I would do is smudge that top. You saw I pulled on it just a little bit. I mean, because that just makes it easier. And I know some people say, don't pull on your eyes. I'm 56. This is not getting any better. So I just smudge that with a pencil brush, and if all you want is what's left on the brush after smudging, you just want to put that on the bottom, you absolutely can. But if you want to add more from your brush and just put it in that outer corner, you certainly can do that as well. So we're done with the pencil brush. Now I'm going to pick up this flat brush. Flat brush, I'm going to also pick up eyeliner on here. And this is where I'm going to give myself a little bit of a wing. And again, don't let that scare you. The wing helps to give us a lifted look, because you can see right now, I have not really done myself any favors. All I have done is line the top, stopped at the outer corner, and done the bottom. And so for all intents and purposes, without a little bit of wing, what this has done is it just has made my eyes look smaller and almost made them point down. I do not need any help with things pointing down, really and truly. So I'm going to add a little bit of a wing. I may add more of a wing just for illustration purposes. You can add more or less, but that little bit of a wing lifts that eye a little bit and gives us more of a lifted, more youthful look versus lining like this, which is going to draw everything down, and I don't need any help there. Take either one of these brushes and just line it up against the side of your nose and the side of your eye. Now can you see that if you were to trace your lower lash line, do you see how it curves up? That is the imaginary line that I want you to use. I'm going to take my flat brush, put liner on the end of it, just going to basically lay it down and then draw it in. See that? I just kind of set it down and drew it in. So do you see that? That's all I did. Now, if I want to aim it a little bit more, I can smudge that out a little bit and aim it a little bit more toward the inner lash line, and I'm done. That's it. How easy was that? Let's do the other side. Make sure they match. If they don't match, you could take your concealer brush and you can just clean it up just a little bit. I really love this look, and I think it's so easy to do. Even if you have a shaky hand, you're really unsteady, you feel like you're just not good at eye makeup, all you need are 2 brushes and a really inexpensive eyeliner. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like this video and share it with a sweet friend. That would mean the world to me. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I will see you next time.